In this math tutorial, I'd like to have a look at fractions, where we multiply whole numbers with fractions. So if you are not entirely familiar with multiplying fractions with fractions, please check out my video on that in the link on screen. Our first example here is to multiply 3 by a half. Alright, so our first step, and this is the most important step of multiplying a whole number with a fraction, is that we are first going to convert the whole number to a fraction. So that means that 3, if we think about the number 3, 3 means we've got 3 wholes. So we are going to put 3 over 1. So we've got 3 wholes times 1/2, or 1 over 2. Our second step is to use our fraction multiplication. That means that we are going to do numerator with numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So we're going to say 3 times 1 over 2 times 1, or 1 times 2. And we are going to get to the answer 3 over 2. Now we should notice that 3 over 2 is an improper fraction. So we are then going to convert it to a mixed number to get 1.5. In my second example, I have multiplying 7 over 5 with 4. Now 7 over 5 is an improper fraction. It doesn't matter. We are not going to convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. We are going to leave it as is. And we are going to apply exactly the same steps. The first step is to convert the whole number to a fraction, 4 wholes. So it's going to be 7 over 5 times 4 over 1. Our second step is to use fraction multiplication, numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So we're going to say 7 times 4 over 5 times 1. We are going to get then 28 over 5. Now we are going to convert this fraction to a mixed number to get our final answer. If you're unfamiliar with converting fractions to mixed numbers, please check out my video on that as well. And the final answer will then be 5 and 3 over 5. My final example is to multiply 1 and 2 over 10 times 3. So here we have a mixed number multiplied by a whole number. Here we first are going to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. Then convert the whole number to a fraction as well. So we're going to get 12 over 10 times 3 over 1. And now we're just going to follow the basic steps again. We are going to use our fraction multiplication, numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. 12 times 3 over 10 times 1. And we are going to get 36 over 10. Our fourth and final step will be to convert this to a mixed number. And we are going to get 3 and 6 over 10 as our final answer. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other tutorials that might benefit you. Thanks for watching.